The LP270 LED light kit is bringing our innovative reflector-facing technology to the small LED light market. With a diameter of 2 3/4 inches, this compact light outperforms lamps double in its size. It's available in either a 7.5 watt fog pattern or an 8.5 watt driving pattern. Both lamps produce a 6000 K color temperature and are SAE compliant. Thanks to our reflector-facing technology, our LP270s are optimized for power efficiency, while the precisely aimed beam pattern gives the light maximum output. The versatile mounting system allows for the LP270 lights to be mounted in a vertical or horizontal position for a wide range of applications. You simply need to remove the plastic threaded caps, then remove the bracket and rotate the lamp to suit your specific mounting position. For more specific motorcycle applications, our new multi-fit fork mounts have fitments for over 80 different makes and models. The low power draw of these lights make them ideal for motorcycles, ATVs, and UTVs, since you'll never have to worry about overtaxing your electrical system. The LP270s have a 10G vibration rating and will be able to withstand any terrain you throw at it. Along with a 2-year warranty on the lights, the high output LED chips have a 50,000 hour lifespan. The kit comes complete with a pre-assembled wiring harness, which includes the relay and lighting switch for easy installation. For more information on the LP270 lights and all of our products, be sure to visit us at PIAA.com.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.